We actually never really considered Madeira because it was about flowers and old people and retirement. But we didn't expect the island to be so rich in things you can do here.
Woke up in the morning feeling good today, 'cause the sun's shining in my neighborhood today. All the smiles and the good vibes are here to stay. So deny anybody trying to get in your way. Yeah, just turn the music loud till you feel it in your chest. The party going down, now you're rocking with the best. And we ain't gonna stop, not anytime soon. When we walk up in the room, we go crazy.
One thing for everyone.
Coastering is all about conquering your fears.
Let's have a good time. Let's have a good time.
Here in the Madeira, we have different forests that makes the terrain different all the time. I just get to the mountain, I see the skills of the people, and then I do it from there.
Well, just turn the music loud till you feel it in your chest. The party going down, now you're rocking with the best. And we ain't gonna stop, not anytime soon. When we walk up in the room, we go crazy, go wild.
We can trust you.
Why?
You ride good.
It's a good time to have a good time. Let's have a good time.
Madeira is known for verticality, for big waterfalls.
Let's have a good time. 1, 2, 3, it's you and me. Let's all go wild. 1, 2, 3, it's you and me. Let's all go wild. 1, 2, 3, it's you and me. Let's all go wild. 1, 2, 3, it's you and me. Let's all go.
And of course, the ocean is also part of it. The whole feeling of diving here is different. Just look at the underwater scenery. You basically do your house reef dives in the nature itself.
Let's have a good time. You already know what it is. Let's have a good time. You already know what it is. Let's go wild tonight, baby. It's a good time to have a good time. That's right, baby. Go to this. Let's go wild tonight, baby. It's a good time to have a good time. That's right, baby. Go to the mirror. Give me some little kiss. You deserve it, baby.
Green, blue, gray, red, everything here. Isn't it, Timon?